Hi, this is Ilaf. Welcome to my blog. Today we'll discuss steps to install PnP PowerShell. So before we discuss how to install PnP PowerShell, let's discuss what is PnP. SharePoint PnP is nothing but SharePoint patterns and practices. It contains a library of PowerShell commands that allows you to perform complex provisioning or administrative actions towards SharePoint. So the SharePoint PnP commands use CSOM that can work against both SharePoint Online and SharePoint On-Premises. So if you guys already use PnP, you must be aware that PnP PowerShell is now archived and it's going to be retired. So once it is archived and retired, it will be moved or a new PnP PowerShell module will be available. So that PnP PowerShell module will be called as PnP Framework and it will be actively maintained going forward. If you guys already have the legacy PnP PowerShell installed, I would suggest you to uninstall the module and then reinstall the latest one. Let's discuss what is PnP Framework. So PnP Framework is the successor of the legacy PnP PowerShell module. If you guys use PnP to manage your SharePoint on-premises, then I would suggest you to stick with it. Do not upgrade because the latest PnP Framework will only support SharePoint Online going forward. So to install the cross-platform PnP PowerShell, you need to install the PnP PowerShell module using this command, and after that you will have to give the consent or you'll have to register the PnP management shell as an application in your tenant, which would be this command. Once you use this command, it will register the PnP management shell as an Azure AD application in your tenant. And once you do that, you can use the simple connect-pnp commands to connect to PowerShell. And if you have MFA enabled account, you can use the parameter which is interactive inside of it. So I have already done it. So I'm just gonna show you what I did. So I had the legacy PnP PowerShell in my machine, which is the SharePoint PnP Online. So I used this command to uninstall the legacy version. And once that was completed, I installed the latest PnP framework using this command. After that, I had to register the PnP management shell as an Azure AD application in my tenant. So I used this command and I provided my global admin credentials when a pop-up was launched. And after that, I used the connect command, a simple connect command, and I connected my root site URL. So if you notice, I can get all the commands of PnP. If I just use this get hyphen tab, you'll see all the commands over here. Alright, so I'll just show you how this looks like. So basically, if you just go to your Azure AD portal and click on enterprise application, you'll see the PnP management shell is added as an application. And if you open this, you'll notice that it has its own application ID, object ID inside of your Azure AD. And you can also check the permission this application has in your tenant, which is all this particular permissions. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any queries or if you have any questions regarding SharePoint, OneDrive or Office Online, you can post your queries in the comment section.